Why does your scanner show the P145C engine code? And what does it mean? The P145C engine fault code stands for Fuel Tank Pressure Sensor Range/Performance Problem. The P145C code is a diagnostic trouble code that indicates a problem with the fuel tank pressure sensor range or performance. It means that the PCM has detected an issue with the fuel tank pressure sensor. You should stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EVAP canister purge valve, clogged EVAP canister, damaged vacuum lines, wiring or connector issues, ECU malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in the Honda CR-V, Honda Civic, Honda Pilot, and Acura TL. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.